Hello friends, welcome to DevOps World. Today we are going to see how to install AWS CLI in Windows operating system. So before we will start, I would like to give you a little overview about AWS CLI. So whenever we need to interact any AWS services, we have to use AWS console. But now we can also interact the AWS services using this command line CLI, which is called AWS CLI. So basically in AWS CLI, we give the instruction to interact any AWS CLI without logging to AWS console. So now we are going to install this AWS CLI. So you can open any your favorite browser and you need to search AWS CLI install on Windows. So once you will hit this button, then you will get many AWS document link. You can open any of this link. So I'm going to open this first link. So once you will land on this page, then you able to see they have given different operating system option to install AWS CLI. So in our case, we are going to install in our Windows operating system. So I'm going to click on Windows and we need to click this download and run AWS CLI MSI installation. So I'll just click on this. After clicking, it will start downloading. So just I start run. We need to accept agreement. So here friend, I need to inform little bit about this location. Sometime people wants to install in some other location. Might be they do not have the much space in their C drive or any other drive. So in that case, you can browse and you can give any other path where you would like to install your AWS CLI. For my case, I'm going to install by default the path. So I'll just going and click next. Then we do. Now it is installing. So we need little few minutes to install this AWS CLI. And also I'm going to give you one tip after installation AWS CLI. If you're not able to see AWS CLI in your system, so how you can troubleshoot that issue. So now once it will complete successful, you will get this completed message. You just finish and you go to your command prompt. So I click command prompt and now you need to check how means AWS CLI is installed or not. So just give AWS hyphen version. So if AWS CLI has been installed successfully in your system, then you will get this message with the version 2.13.3. In my case, when I'm recording this video, this version it is available, but in your case might be it will new version will become, so it will differ the version as well. So suppose friend, you have given this AWS hyphen version, but what happened, you getting the message like AWS command not found internally externally, but you have completed your installation wizard. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to go to control panel, system, then advanced setting and environment variable. So why we have to come here? So friends, whenever we install a new exe file or new software in our Windows operating system, sometimes depend on the system, they automatically take your installation path and configured in this system variable, so that whenever you will trigger command in command prompt, it will give you the output about the command. But sometimes system won't pick up by default the installation path, so you need to be manually configure the installation path here. So suppose in your case AWS hyphen version is not working, so what you have to do, you have to come this path, do edit. So if you see here, my default installation path already added by Windows operating system, so I don't need to do manually. But suppose in your case it is not added, so just copy your installation path where you have given the instruction to install the packages, just take that path and click new and add here. So once you add here your installation path, do OK. Then here also OK. Once you do the some changes, the apply button automatically become visible. So that time you need to hit apply button, and after that OK. And if you have open already command prompt, so just close those command prompt and again open a new command prompt, so that it will refresh the path variable in the backend. So after that you again try to give hyphen hyphen version, and believe me friends, it will work definitely. Otherwise you just one restart the system and it will work perfectly. So I hope you friends, you will like this video, and if you have facing any issue or challenges, just let me know in comment section, so I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. So for today guys, thank you.